Very good morning, students. Hope you all are doing good. As you all know, the festival of Rakhi is approaching. Why don't we make our own handmade Rakhis this time for our brother or sister, or you can make for your cousins? So let's begin. For this you can use some quilling paper, or you can also use some earbuds or anchor threads or wool or any kind of thread for making Rakhis. Let's see how we can use this. You can be creative and use some other materials like glitter paper and all. You can make some flowers out of glitter paper or some old magazine paper and make beautiful Rakhis. Let's be innovative and creative. Let's begin. Let's start with quilling paper. You can take any 2 colors or 3 colors of your choice. You can, if the strip is very long, you can cut it into half and join it from here. You can use the 3rd color if you want, any bright color if you want. You can add it and paste it along with it. If you don't have quilling paper, you can cut the paper from old magazines or some greeting cards. See, like this. You can take the strips, you can see like these two. I have taken from some greeting card these 2 strips, and we can paste it together, and then we can coil it and make some beautiful Rakhis. So see, here we are joining these 2 papers, and I will show you simply how we can make a coil out of it. Join these 2 stick with a glue stick or a Fevicol or the glue that is provided with the quilling kit. We have got a pin also. In case you don't have the pin, you can simply start rolling it like a coil. Till it ends. You can make of single color also. Here I have joined 2 strips together to make it more beautiful. You can use 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors also if you want. You can be innovative. See, this is a simple coil that we make it. At the end we will stick it. If you want to make the size, you can increase the size while losing this coil. See, now if I want to give any other shape, like if you want to give it a leaf shape, you can press it from here and give it a leaf shape like this. Can you see? If you want to give it a heart shape, you can give it a heart shape also, pressing it from the center. See, if you want to give it a square shape, you can make 2 ends together, or a triangle. Square. So you can try different shapes that you want. You can make as many coils that you want, and then you can arrange it on a ribbon. If you have ribbon, you can use some old Rakhi thread like this, or a gota, or a any thread you can use. You can join together too also, like this, maybe to make it more beautiful, or maybe like this combination you can do, or maybe like this. See? You can paste this together at the center and arrange your Rakhi here. See, this is the coil that I have made. I have used 3 colors. We can arrange the different coils that we have made onto this ribbon. And make some simple and cute Rakhis. Like this. You can add one more ribbon also below it if you want, to make it more beautiful and cute. You can change the arrangements also, like this, maybe 2 here and 2 this side, or maybe like a shape of a flower you can arrange 3 more, 2 this side and 2 this side, like a flower you can make. So I have showed you one simple way. You can be innovative and make it in different designs. Another way is with a thread or wool that you can use it. Take a cardboard piece, small piece you can take. Cut it in the size that you want for your Rakhi, and we will tie this thread around it. See, like this. If you don't have anchor thread, you can use some old wool or any other like embroidery threads or anything that you have, that also you can use it. The thread should not be very thin, it should be a little thicker. You will make many rolls like this. And once you have rolled it of your desired length, we will slowly remove this and hold it nicely, and this thread we will tie it around it, and we will make a knot. See, like this. In the center we will secure this nicely and tightly. The extra one we will cut it, and then we will cut the sides of this thread, and from this side also. See, this way. Now we will arrange it like this, open it like this on both sides. Arrange it nicely, and then we will give a shape of a circle. See, we have got the shape of a circle now. Now you can use glitter paper, circles you can cut, and you can paste it maybe like this, or you can use some old Rakhi stickers and all, and you can place it like this. You can use some magazines, cut out some flowers, or if you have some beads and all like this, you can use for decorating your Rakhi. So you can be creative how you want to decorate your Rakhi. You can use some more circles if you want around it. Or you can leave it simple and cute like this. You can put some more different bindis also here in the center for making your Rakhi more cute and beautiful. This can be arranged on a ribbon also. If you don't have this Rakhi thread, see, another way of making a Rakhi is using these earbuds. What you can do, you can take a paint and a brush and earbuds and paint it with the desired color that you want. See, with a brush. Once the earbuds dry, you can cut it. Paint it from all the sides. You can use different colors, earbuds, according to the design that you want to make. After that, you can cut these earbuds like this and start pasting. This I have cut from a old magazine paper, little thick one, or a cardboard you can take and apply Fevicol. And start pasting the earbuds. You can make any color combination that you want. See, same way you can arrange the Next color, I apply more Fevicol. Here I have used orange color on top of it. See, like this. In the center, if you want, you can place one more round of. You can place glitter also, glitter paper circle also in the center. See, like this. You can put it on a ribbon. Carefully lift it and put it below a ribbon. See, isn't it cute and beautiful? You can make one more round of yellow also if you want instead of this. Same way you can put one more round by applying Fevicol in the center. You can later arrange it the way that you want the flower to be. First let the orange one dry, then you can add the next layer. See, this is the Rakhi that you can make. I hope you all will enjoy the session. And please make your own handmade Rakhis and use it during the festival. Thank you.